At Bezelwood 2016, TAG Heuer made waves with the new release of the TAG Heuer CARRERA Heuer O2T, which was then the only COSC certified automatic chronograph with tourbillon. This collection is a contemporary interpretation of two of traditional watchmaking's most famous complications, the tourbillon and the chronograph, with the latter being one of TAG Heuer's well-known strengths. The lightweight tourbillon is exquisitely handcrafted by 4 watchmakers and has a power reserve of more than 65 hours, while the chronograph comes equipped with a tachymeter function to measure speed based on time traveled over a fixed distance. Now, we're going to show you how to read the tachymeter using the latest exclusive model, CARRERA HO2T Cortina Special Edition. The tachymeter scale on the bezel is marked according to per hour and calculates the speed from lowest 60 to highest 400 km per hour. The second hand also functions as the chronograph hand, which is used to tell the speed against the tachymeter bezel. To measure the speed when traveling between 2 landmarks that is 1 km apart, get started by pressing the top button at the 2 o'clock position to activate the chronograph when you pass point A. Press the button again to stop the chronograph when you pass the point B. The second hand had moved to 30, which corresponds to the 120 mark on the bezel. This means that you're traveling at a speed of 120 km per hour. The tachymeter is based on the formula of speed equals distance multiplied by 3600 over the time in seconds. Hence, you could also measure your speed based on another distance with this formula. For instance, if the fixed distance is 2 km and you had taken 45 seconds to travel from point A to B, simply multiply the corresponding speed of 80 by 2 to get your traveling speed of 160 km per hour. Alternatively, the distance traveled could be measured using the same formula if you're traveling at a constant speed once you can get the traveling time with your chronograph. The CARRERA HO2T Cortina Special Edition comes with a specially designed calfskin strap with rubber that is inspired by TAG Heuer shield geometry and is produced in a limited edition of 10 pieces exclusively for Cortina watch. Measure your speed in style.